Okay, hi, welcome back again. Okay, we'll be using the knowledge that we have learned now to solve a more practical problem. Okay, we'll be trying to find the area and circumference of a circle. Okay, so for this, I hope you're familiar with the formulas of finding a area and circumference of a circle. So if you remember, area of a circle, pi r square, circumference 2 pi r. Alright, now what you're supposed to do in this program, write a program, okay, to read in the radius of a circle. Okay, so this is user input of the radius of a circle, then compute and finally display the area and circumference. Alright, okay, so if we break the problem down, okay, the program input will be the radius of the circle, output will be the area of the circle and circumference of the circle, and the formulas which we will use in the calculation: pi times radius, or in other words pi r square, and circumference 2 pi radius. Okay, so this is the program design. Alright, read the radius of the circle, calculate the area, calculate the circumference, write the area and circumference of the circle. Okay, and it will be useful normally to think through of the algorithm. An algorithm is just a way, a means or a method, okay, to solve the problem. Okay, and in pseudocode means in your own understandable code. Okay, which might not necessarily be in programming language. It can be in English, it can be in your preferred language. Okay, so what we do is we assign pi. Okay, we have to have a variable pi and assign the value of 3.14 to pi. Read the radius from the console, calculate the area as radius times pi, circumference equals to 2 times radius times pi, and then write the area and circumference to the console. Okay, now, okay, let's go through this thing. Okay, this program. Now, so let's get this all the way. Okay, now we have mentioned that first we need to declare, okay, store the value of pi in a variable. Okay, so this is a command that is useful for understanding code. Okay, so I want a pi. Now pi, it has decimal places, right? 3.14. okay, so I will declare a variable of type double, call it pi, and assign 3.14 to the variable pi. Okay, so this assignment, this equal sign means assignment here, which is from right side I'll assign to the left side. Okay, so this is my pi variable. I'll declare my other variables: radius, okay, area, and circumference. Okay, right, I can declare it as like that. Okay, or I can declare each individual one as like this, like this. So I do this so that it's faster. Okay, so now the next thing I want to do is read the radius of the circle from the user for input. Okay, so and I will assign the radius inputted by user into the variable radius. So radius equals to console.out.read. So before that, I will prompt a message to the user. So console.out.write and radius. Okay, and then radius will be equal to console.read. Okay, and at the same time, we know that because this is a string, we have to convert it to a double. So we can do the conversion at the same line. So convert to double. Okay, to make it quicker. So although, just take note of this statement. What I'm doing is first I read in the line, okay, and then I'll convert what I've read in to a double. Okay, so to read such statements, you can read using the innermost statement and then to the outermost. Okay, innermost, I'm reading the line, and then outer, converting it to a double. Then finally assign it to the variable radius. Okay, and then next I will calculate my area. Okay, so area equals to pi r square, right? So pi times radius times radius. Okay, and then I'll calculate my circumference. Goes to 2 times pi times radius. Okay. So finally, I'll output this area and the circumference. So console dot write line. Okay. Open bracket, and then I would say area is area. Then circumference. Okay. Circumference is circumference. Okay. And then to store it, we'll just do a read line. Okay. And then let's try. Okay, great, it works. So enter radius 5. Now area is 78.5 and circumference is 31.1. Okay, so this is our first practical C# application to calculate the area and circumference of a circle. So of course you can extend this program and you can change the formula to calculate more complicated formulas. Okay, so to summarize, declare the variables over here. Okay, especially for pi, I assign it with the value of 3.14. Read in user input, convert it to a double, calculate the area with your formula over here, calculate another formula for circumference, and then use output. Okay.